In this lesson, you will create multiple sheets for the graphical column schedule. Click the menu browser and select Open. And in the Open dialog, from the Training Files Imperial folder, open the file rst.doc.sch07 sheets. First, let's create a sheet. Click the View tab, and from the Sheet Composition panel, click New Sheet. In the Select a Title Block dialog, click OK. Now, let's change the sheet name and number. Select the title block, and from the Element Properties drop-down, select Instance Properties. In the Instance Properties dialog, under Identity Data, for Sheet Name, type Graphical Column Schedule. Then, for sheet number, type S-2.0 and click OK. When you do, the sheet name and number display in the title block and also in the project browser under Sheets. Clear the selection and zoom to fit, and let's add the column schedule to the sheet. On the View tab, from the Sheet Composition panel, click Place View. In the Views dialog, select Graphical Column Schedule and click Add View to Sheet. Then, move the cursor to the center of the sheet and click to place the view. Then, with the schedule selected, from the Element Properties drop-down, select Instance Properties. In the Instance Properties dialog, scroll down to under Extents, and for Segments in Viewport, type 1 and click OK. Then, zoom out until you can see the first segment, and clear the selection, and select the title, and drag it up to under the schedule. Then, select the schedule viewport and drag it down to inside the sheet. Then, clear the selection and zoom to fit. Next, let's add additional sheets. Click the New Sheet button and click OK to create a new sheet. Then, select the title block and go to Instance Properties, and for sheet name, select Graphical Column Schedule and click OK. Clear the selection, and using the same method, add 3 additional sheets and specify Graphical Column Schedule for their sheet name. You would have S2.2, S2.3, and S2.4. Now let's place the remaining views. In the project browser, double-click S2.1 and then drag the graphical column schedule onto the sheet and place it. Then, using the same method, place the remaining schedule views on the remaining sheets. You may have to position the view title as necessary inside of each sheet. Then close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file, and that concludes this lesson.